Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today we're talking about vitamins. Nerve damage can be caused by a variety of factors, including injuries. But did you know that certain vitamins can significantly aid in repairing nerve damage? We've got your back. Let's be real, nerve damage can leave us feeling weak and in pain. But it doesn't have to be that way. Get ready for 7 incredible vitamins that'll help repair nerve damage and restore your health. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips. Vitamin 1. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in keeping our nerves healthy. It helps convert the food we eat into energy and is vital for the proper functioning of our nervous system. Without enough vitamin B1, our nerves can become damaged, leading to symptoms such as numbness, tingling, or even pain. Thiamine works by supporting the production of energy within our nerve cells, which helps them function properly. It also plays a part in the formation of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. This means that having enough vitamin B1 can help ensure that our nerves communicate effectively, reducing the risk of nerve-related issues. A lack of vitamin B1 can lead to a condition known as Beriberi, which affects the cardiovascular and nervous systems. Symptoms of Beriberi include muscle weakness, difficulty walking, and nerve damage. Another condition linked to thiamine deficiency is Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, which primarily affects the brain and can lead to severe memory problems. The good news is that thiamine can be easily obtained through our diet. Foods rich in vitamin B1 include whole grains like brown rice and oatmeal, legumes such as beans and lentils, nuts and seeds, and meats like pork and fish. By incorporating these foods into our meals, we can help protect our nerves and ensure they remain healthy. Vitamin 2, vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B6, also called pyridoxine, is essential for keeping your brain and nerves working correctly. It helps your body make neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that carry signals from one nerve cell to another. This process is crucial for brain communication and overall nervous system health. If you don't get enough vitamin B6, you might experience muscle weakness, irritability, depression, or difficulty concentrating. These symptoms occur because vitamin B6 is vital for nerve health, and without it, your nervous system can't function properly. You can find vitamin B6 in a variety of foods. Chicken, tuna, salmon, and bananas are good sources. Other options include potatoes and chickpeas, which make it easy to include vitamin B6 in your meals. For those who might not get enough from their diet, taking a supplement might be necessary, but always check with a doctor first. Vitamin 3. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is crucial for the proper functioning of the nervous system and for the health of nerve cells. It helps in the production of myelin, a protective sheath that surrounds nerves and ensures fast and efficient signal transmission between the brain and different parts of the body. Without enough vitamin B12, this myelin sheath can break down, leading to nerve damage that can cause symptoms like numbness, tingling, and weakness, especially in the hands and feet. Vitamin B12 also plays a vital role in the production of red blood cells and DNA, which are essential for overall health. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead not only to nerve problems, but also to severe fatigue, memory issues, and mood changes. This vitamin is especially important for older adults, vegetarians, and vegans, as they are at a higher risk of deficiency due to dietary restrictions or decreased absorption with age. The best sources of vitamin B12 are animal products such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. For those who do not consume animal products, fortified foods like cereals and plant-based milk or supplements might be necessary to ensure adequate intake. Regularly including vitamin B12 in your diet or through supplements is essential to maintain nerve health and prevent associated health issues. Vitamin 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because your body can make it when your skin is exposed to sunlight. It's crucial for strong bones, but it's also important for a healthy nervous system. Vitamin D helps protect your nerves and ensures they work well, which can prevent nerve pain and improve muscle function. Many people don't get enough vitamin D, especially those in colder climates or with limited sun exposure. Symptoms of a deficiency might include general fatigue, muscle weakness, and sometimes even bone pain. This is because without enough vitamin D, your body can't absorb calcium properly, which is essential for good nerve and muscle function. You can boost your vitamin D levels by spending time outdoors in the sunlight or through foods like fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, fortified milk, and egg yolks. If you're not able to get enough from sunlight in your diet, your doctor might recommend vitamin D supplements to help maintain optimal levels. Vitamin 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells, including your nerve cells, from damage. This is important for your overall nerve health because it helps maintain the integrity of your nervous system and can prevent diseases related to nerve damage. Deficiency in vitamin E is rare, but can lead to nerve problems such as weakness and numbness, especially in the hands and feet. It can also affect balance and coordination. This happens because vitamin E is essential for protecting the fatty coverings that surround nerve fibers, helping them transmit signals efficiently. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts and seeds, such as almonds and sunflower seeds, as well as spinach, broccoli, and vegetable oils like wheat germ oil. Including these foods in your diet can help ensure that you get enough vitamin E to support your nerve health. Vitamin 6, Alpha-Lipoic acid, ALA. Alpha-Lipoic acid, often shortened to ALA, is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect and repair your nerve cells. It's unique because it works in both water and fat, which means it can reach all parts of the nerve cell, providing comprehensive protection. ALA is especially helpful for people with nerve damage caused by diabetes or other conditions because it helps reduce inflammation and improve nerve function. One of the key benefits of ALA is its ability to regenerate other antioxidants, like vitamins C and E, which further protects your nerves. It also helps improve insulin sensitivity, which can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetic neuropathy, a condition where high blood sugar damages nerves. You can find ALA in foods like spinach, broccoli, tomatoes, and Brussels sprouts, as well as in red meat and organ meats. However, for those with significant nerve damage, supplements might be necessary to achieve a therapeutic dose. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Vitamin 7, omega-3, fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that your body cannot make on its own, so they must be obtained through diet. These fats are crucial for maintaining the health of your nerve cells. Omega-3s help build and repair cell membranes, which is vital for the proper functioning of nerve cells. They also reduce inflammation, which can help relieve pain and numbness associated with nerve damage. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial for reducing the symptoms of neuropathy, a nerve condition that can cause weakness, numbness, and pain, usually in the hands and feet. Regular intake of omega-3s has been linked to improved nerve health and a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and arthritis. Rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. For those who do not consume fish, algae-based supplements are a good alternative. It's important to include these healthy fats in your diet to support nerve health and overall well-being. Thank you for watching. We hope you found our discussion on the 7 incredible vitamins to repair nerve damage insightful. Don't forget to try incorporating these vitamins into your diet, and let us know your experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.